Engineered for performance, finished with nature. Natural wood veneer combines the authenticity of hardwood with the advantages of engineered panels. Pressed onto stable core substrates, veneer panels reduce material movement, improve yield efficiency, and deliver consistent surface quality across large-scale applications. Grid swell wood veneers are produced with controlled thickness, precise slicing, and careful grain selection, ensuring reliability for commercial, residential, and architectural use. Real wood. Engineered intelligence.